Prepare yourselves for a journey through time, a fascinating exploration into the annals of biblical history, where we will unveil the best-kept secrets of the Temple of Solomon, one of the most magnificent and enigmatic constructions that humanity has ever witnessed. And not only that, we will delve into the intimate universe of the king most renowned for his wisdom, the legendary Solomon, exploring the intriguing enigma of how he, a monarch of such importance, balanced the weight of a vast kingdom with the complexity of managing life amidst a harem of 1,000 wives. Prepare for a captivating narrative filled with luxury, intrigue, power, and faith, unraveling one of the most curious and emblematic stories in the Bible. Transport your imagination to the year 957 BC. Picture yourself walking through the dusty streets of Jerusalem. As the morning sun ascends on the horizon, a dazzling vision unfolds. The Temple of Solomon, a colossal structure, a beacon of pure gold. Erected with resources that today would be worth billions of dollars, this marvel consumed 7 years of arduous work by 180,000 men. Let's explore the history of the Temple of Solomon and fascinating biblical curiosities. Imagine the endless caravans bringing the noble cedar of Lebanon, precious wood descending the mountains to Jerusalem. Phoenician artists, masters of their craft, sculpted ornaments with divine precision. The constant sound of construction echoed incessantly. The dimensions of the Temple of Solomon were breathtaking. 30 meters long, 10 wide, and 15 high in the sanctuary alone. The gold on the walls shone like a divine beacon, an unforgettable vision, a symbol of the kingdom's magnificence and the unwavering faith of its people. The construction of the temple was not just an architectural project, but a demonstration of power, faith, and resources, uniting thousands of people in a common purpose under Solomon's leadership. Entering the Temple of Solomon was a transcendental experience. The interior, bathed in gold from floor to ceiling, reflected an almost divine light. Olive wood cherubim covered in gold guarded the Holy of Holies, the most sacred place. The priest's courtyard with rare stones was a testament to wealth. Pillars Jachin and Boaz, imposing at the entrance, symbolized the strength of the kingdom. At its heart, the Holy of Holies housed the Ark of the Covenant, a perfect 10-meter cube accessible only to the high priest once a year. The aroma of incense and cedar completed the unique sensory experience, transporting visitors to a spiritual and mysterious realm. Every detail of the interior, from the precious materials to the arrangement of spaces, was carefully planned to inspire reverence and admiration, reflecting the belief in divinity and the importance of that sacred place. Solomon established an impeccable administration for the sacred temple. 24 divisions of priests took turns, each with specific tasks, from maintaining the gold lamps to preparing the shewbread. The weekly exchange, on Saturdays, ensured continuous service. Purification rituals, symbolic vestments, prayers. Everything was meticulous, ensuring that every detail was performed with utmost perfection and reverence. Behind the scenes, a veritable city operated bakers with sacred recipes, perfumers with secret formulas for incense. A complex organization that made the Temple of Solomon an unparalleled center of worship, a model of order and devotion that would echo through the centuries. The administrative complexity of the temple reflected Solomon's vision of an organized and prosperous kingdom, where each element contributed to the harmony of the whole. But Solomon's life was not limited to the temple. The secret rituals of the harem were planned for each night with the king. In the house of purification, women prepared themselves with elaborate beauty rituals, baths in 7 pools, perfumed with rare oils, maids caring for hair with aromatic oils and ivory combs, skin treated with secret mixtures, nails painted with henna, exquisite garments, symbolic jewels. The royal chamber was a sanctuary of luxury, incense, flower petals, silk, seductive lighting, soft music inspired by the Song of Songs. Every detail was rehearsed for an unforgettable experience, a dance of seduction and pleasure that repeated night after night, fueling the legend of Solomon's extravagant life. The harem rituals were not just about physical beauty, but also about creating a magical and enveloping atmosphere where every sense was stimulated and the king felt at the height of power and pleasure. At the heart of the palace, the harem was a stage for intrigues and disputes. More than rivalries, they were power games. Each wife and concubine sought the king's attention and influence in the kingdom. Alliances formed and dissolved in pursuit of ambition and desire. Some stood out for their political intelligence, others for artistic talents, subtly competing for favors and privileges. In the golden corridors, a complex game of influences shaped the destiny of Solomon's kingdom. The harem was not just a place of beauty and luxury, but a center of power where women exerted their influence in subtle and strategic ways, weaving a complex web of relationships that affected the politics and society of the kingdom. Competition in the harem reflected human ambitions and desires in a microcosm of the power struggle that permeated the royal court. Solomon's harem was a political microcosm. Royal wives at the top, concubines below, hierarchy based on influence. Pharaoh's daughter in an Egyptian palace, a symbol of political alliance and power. Diverse cultures, unique traditions mingled in this exotic environment. Egyptians, Phoenicians, Moabites, each culture with its traditions, dances, perfumes, songs, strategic alliances, conspiracies. The harem was not just pleasure, it was the center of decisions that shaped Israel. A chessboard where every move had political and social consequences. The cultural diversity of the harem reflected the vastness of Solomon's empire and its connections with different kingdoms and peoples, making it a cosmopolitan center of intrigue and negotiation. With age and financial difficulties, disputes in the harem intensified. Young wives competed for attention, older ones struggled to maintain power. Rumors of conspiracies, distrust, and intrigue spread like wildfire. People murmured about taxes and court luxury, questioning opulence in hard times. The royal treasure dwindled, competition burdened the kingdom, creating social and political tensions. The financial decline of the kingdom and Solomon's aging cast shadows over the harem, transforming the environment of luxury and pleasure into a stage for disputes and uncertainties, a harbinger of darker times for the reign. Legends speak of the Ring of Solomon, magical with God's name. Solomon used it to command spirits, demons, and nature. Storms, seas under control, supernatural power in the temple and palace to maintain order. Demons served, revealing secrets. Solomon's ring, a symbol of divine power and wisdom, a mystical artifact that personified the king's connection with the supernatural and his ability to rule both the physical and spiritual worlds. The Testament of Solomon describes interrogations of demons to gain knowledge. In a secret room, Solomon summoned them, using the ring to obtain the truth. Demons revealed secrets of the universe, wisdom beyond human comprehension. The Testament of Solomon, a source of spiritual wisdom, an apocryphal text detailing Solomon's interactions with demonic entities, revealing a hidden and mysterious side of the wise king. Solomon's quest for knowledge led him to explore the spiritual realms, confronting demons and seeking to unravel the secrets of the universe in a journey that blended wisdom, power, and magic. The Testament of Solomon became a foundational text for Western magical tradition, influencing demonology and the understanding of Solomon's supernatural power. In a surprising finale, dive into the secrets of Jericho. Mysteries beneath millennial ruins, each stone telling stories of conquests and challenges, rituals, dramas. Jericho reveals a fascinating past, as rich and complex as the story of Solomon. Explore ruins, travel through time, unravel the enigmas of Jericho. A new historical and archaeological adventure awaits you, connecting biblical past with the mysteries of antiquity. Fascinated by biblical stories, mysteries, and historical curiosities? Click subscribe and activate the bell for new videos. Join our community of history and faith enthusiasts. Don't miss the next videos and explore the secrets of the past with us. May this message be a symbol of faith. Comment Amen if you believe in God's restoring power. Share this video with your friends and family and bring this message of faith and history to more people.